Hi guys!
Hi everybody! Hi everybody!
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. Okay, my name is Warren. And my name is Josephine.
So, what are you going to do today?
Today we're gonna do science experiment!
I
Yay!
see that you're very excited!
Yes, of course excited! Of course! We're going to make marble milk. Yes!
Wow!
Marble milk.
Can you tell me what do we need for the experiment?
We need food coloring and milk, dishwashing liquid, and cotton bud. And cotton bud! Yay! We're so excited! And a plate!
I need you to pour the milk into the plate.
Okay.
Okay, let's pour the milk slowly.
Carefully pour. Don't spill it. Do too much? Do too much? I think it's enough.
Good. And the next step, we are going to put food coloring.
One.
Now we want to talk about surface tension. Surface tension hold the milk to stay on the plate. We are going to break this surface tension by using dishwashing liquid. So Warren, can you please try to break the surface tension of the milk by using dishwashing liquid? You just dip it a little bit and then put it on the food coloring. Yep. See what happened? You will try it on another color.
Pink. Wow, this is cool. Wow.
Can you?
Very cool. Okay, press it more. Like this. Press it here. Cool. Wow. This is super duper cool.
What we are doing is that we are releasing the surface tension, so now the milk is moving around. This is a science and art experiment, don't you think so?
Yeah.
Okay, now Jojo, you want to have a try?
Yeah, the time to spit, not me.
Yes. One drop like that. Okay, now dip it into the dishwashing liquid. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is dip in the center of the color. Whoa!
That's cool.
Ah, beautiful. Okay, let's try another color, Josephine.
I want pink. Wow, cool. This is cool.
Wow, it really looks like marble. Do you know? This is marble art. Let me see yours. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at the colorful marble milk.
How about this one? I like this one.
Wow.
It's just keep moving.
Isn't this awesome?
Yeah. Mine?
Yes, I like yours.
Look at
This is beautiful. Looks like galaxy color. Don't you think so?
We just put some marble in.
Come like jellyfish.